Any other like for example, generating the means. In the mark, supermarket, generating means. Generating means, you are eligible towards market. The importance of SMS. So in the absence of SMS messaging, it is difficult to imagine the world.
Good morning. Enter your register numbers in message box also. That is also attendance. If anybody is taking fourth hour class, those who are not shown yesterday's output 3 to 4 people, we can show it today. If nobody is taking, otherwise whenever you are free after 3:30 also you can show it, no problem. But you should call me and tell. Right. Scribe is visible? Hello? Scribe is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Now 3 units we have completed. Today we are going to start the 4th unit. So space and trade-off. First one is called the space and trade-off. Space and trade-off. So space, how much memory space is required to solve that particular problems. So space and the trade-off. So trade-off here meaning is nothing but, so how the values you will be solving these problems. So you are counting and solving. Here we have the 2 problems. One is called the space and trade-off. Another one is called the input enhancement Haskell's algorithm. In this you have Weis-Moore code algorithms, and another one is called the hash tables and hash functions. This is more the syllabus you are having in the space and trade-off. So you have the sorting by counting, input enhancement, and string matching, hashing. So these were the problems we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4 problems are there. So sorting by counting, input enhancement, and string matching, and hashing techniques. So hashing also simple only here. So open hashing and close hashing is available. Now we'll see one problem how it will be working. So first one is called the sorting by counting. The first one is called the sorting by counting. So here is the first one is called the sorting by counting. Right. Right. It. The first problem is called sorting by counting. Sorting by counting. So what do you mean by sorting by counting? Sorting is nothing but what? The elements arranging either ascending order or descending order. So what do you mean by counting? So counting is nothing but based on the count you will be sorting the values. So sorting by counting, till now you might have seen selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, different techniques you have learned it. So under divide and conquer, you might have learned mud sort, quick sort, and brute force techniques you might have learned is selection sort, double sort. So this is what we have learned it, and different sorting techniques also you have learned in data structures. Now we'll see one more method, sorting by counting. So using the counting, you will be sorting the values. So how to count that values? Let us see this one. Write it. Sort the following elements. Sort the following elements using sorting by counting. Sorting by counting. The elements are 62, 31, 84, 96, 19, and 47.
So you may wish to access a web service that provides
62, 31, 84, 96, 19, and 47.
Tell you in the morning.
1 second. Na?
In the evening, what is the current
By mistake, I have closed data.
farming state. So are cold. So according to that, you are going to readjust yourself mentally, right? So such kind of application also say. So SMS messaging, one of the main applications.
62, 31, 84, 96, 19, 47.
Actually, the SMS existence to avoid that
62, 31, 84, 96. Write the solution. Right, how I am writing the same way. 62, 31, 84, 96, 19, 47.
So to avoid this process delay of immediate in the set of statements or the set of vector words. This is
The given elements we have written as it is 62, 31, 84, 96, 19, and 47. Now the I values like this, that is nothing but the 0. Right. So now write it the same order. Give the left hand side some space. Just count.
Yes. In that sense, it is part as other application.
62, 31, 84, 96, 90, 47.
And nearly all users of English know how to say that message, such messages. Right? So Android comes with a basic SMS application that enables to send a message. So itself it has a so there are 100 packages. Those packages are built-in classes and the predefined, well-defined and predefined.
Write it the same order.
Provide the functionality of
This is called the array.
right?
Count of COUNT. Count.
These facilities are provided.
Count.
Also, if you want to override
Count.
existing capacities of
Count.
SMS also, they allow you to override that. But the SMS capability you can customize such that you can stop the same message to the end.
This is called I is equal to 0. Now I is equal to 1. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 3. I is equal to 4. I is equal to 5. I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5.
Want to write an application that automatically sends an SMS. Message of regular writing purpose.
Yeah.
For example,
Copied, all of you? Copied?
it needs rather than suppose
Copied or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right. Instead of remembering and sending the SMS by manually, instead of that, we can schedule every Friday morning at 10 o'clock.
Right. So now, just
Please you can schedule the SMS messaging.
rough work, I'll write it. Listen here, first number is called 62. So just I'll write it here, 62 less than 31. 62 less than 84. 62 less than 96. 62 less than 19. 62 less than 47.
Make the part of it to track against our attendance, so you can use the SMS. You can schedule every day interview for the other student is attending. You sending an SMS to the parents. The award is not attending. Your award is attending. It's a kind of application.
ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Huh?
ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಯು.
What to do? He is taking for other class. Next time onwards, we'll change the place. What else we can do? Huh?
You don't need a written device to test SMS message.
Okay. So initially, all the values, the locations is nothing but this is the values. Just I'll write the location. Just I'll write one line. Just you write it like this. Initial values is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Locations are values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what I told you is 62 less than 31 either true or false. Condition is true or false. Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
62 less than 31 is true or false?
False.
False. Next row.
True.
True. Next row.
False.
Next row.
False.
Next row.
False. Sir, 62 is less than 96 is true, sir. Third one.
Third one is true. Correct now. So values have cooperative property now 62 less than 31, 84, 96, 19, 47. Right. Now how many trues are there? How many false are there?
2 true, sir, and 3 false.
3 false are there. So just listen all of you here. Whenever you are getting the false, okay? Whenever you are getting the false, 62, wherever you have the 62, you have to put it 1. First is 1, that is called a true. Next one is Whenever you are getting false, you make it 1. Whenever you are getting true, increment in other locations. So are you getting what I'm saying? So you have the locations called count of 0, count of 1, count of 2, count of 3, count of 4, count of 5. So count of 0 locations, you have assigned the 0, 0, 0, 0, all the locations. You can remember only these values, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So here is, whenever you are getting the false, you make it 1. Next is 62 is here 0. Okay, one location is 0. Next is 62 is less than 84. This is called false. You make it called 1. Next. Are you getting what I'm saying? Here 0 is there, 0 as it is. Okay. So here, because condition is false, you are putting here 1. First one. Next one is condition is true. When you are getting true, you put it here 1. And here we are not doing anything. Next is 62 less than 86. True. True means put it 1 here. Next is 62 less than 19 false. Here put 0. Here increment by 1. That is what counting. Next is 62 less than 47. Then what you have to do is, this is called false. So false means what I told you, here 0, here plus 1. Now how many ones you got it? 1 plus 1 plus 1? 3. This is what the 3 you have to put it here. Once again I'll tell you here. Once again I'll tell you here. Whenever when you are checking the conditions, sorting by counting is nothing but 62 less than 31 condition will become false. You are adding 1 here. Here putting 0. So by 62 less than 84, 84th location 0 is there, increment by 1. Next is 62 less than 86 condition true, increment by 1. Here 0 is there, 1. Next is 62 less than 19 condition false. Here as it is, copy the value, put it here 1. The similarly 62 less than 47 condition false. Here 0, put 0 value here and increment by 1 here. So finally 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 you got it. So this is what sorting by counting. Are you getting what I'm saying? Hello? So here is, once again I'll tell you here, you need to check it out. 62 less than 31. Condition true means increment by 1 here. Condition next is 62 less than 84. Condition is true. True means here increment by 1. False means here increment by 1. So that is what the I is equal to 1. So that will be over. Next what you have to do is I is equal to 2. So when you will become I is equal to 2, so you have to start with the 31. When you have to start from the 31. Now Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. So next values is 31 less than 84. I'll write it. 31 less than 96. 31 less than 19. 31 less than 47. Condition is true or false? This one.
True.
True. True means what I have to do?
0, sir, for true.
Here 0 is there. Here is true means 84 side you have to put it 1. Correct? No? 1. Next here 31 is less than 90. 1 already is there. You have to increment by 1. Next 31 less than 96.
True.
True means you have to put it here 1. Already 1 is there. 1 plus 1. 2. Next 31 is less than 19.
False.
False. False means here you have to increment. Previously 0 is there. 1 you put it here. Short values you write it 1. Here you put zeros on. Next 31 is less than 47.
True, sir.
True. True means what I told you.
Add
47 location you have to increment by 1. What I have to do now? 0 plus 1?
1.
1. Now here you got it only 1 incremented. So write it finally answer is 1. Next I is equal to 2 over. Next I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3 means this values. So third location, 84th location. So write it here also. Once again, I'll write it here. 84 less than 96. 84 less than 19. 84 less than 47. Right. Now 84 less than 96. Condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True means 96 location you have to increment by 1. 2 is there, already write it 3. Next here already 2 is there, just write it 2 now. Now 84 less than 19. 84 less than 19.
False.
False means where you have to increment by 1. 84th location. That is 1. Next this as it is. Next
False.
87 less than 47. False means previous value, copy it here and increment by 1 here. Now 2 plus 1 plus 1, how much? Second location. What is the values? I is equal to 3 means second location. 2 plus 1 plus 1, how much?
4.
4. This is 1 plus 0. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now I is equal to 3 over. Next I is equal to 4. Now,
Sir,
this is called the first iteration. This is called the second iteration. This is called the third iteration.
Sir, Arjun.
Fourth iteration. Tell me, Manjunath.
Sir, Arjun. Sir, can you explain repeatedly like I is equal to 3?
I is equal to
3, that one, like, can you explain me, sir, again?
I is equal to 3, na?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Here 3 is there. Now it is visible 84 less than 96.
Yes, sir.
84 less than 19.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible.
84 less than 47. I wrote it here, the third one. So now what I'm saying is, this is called the locations. So where I wrote the 4, this is what the concentration. 84 is the I value. So with this, you have to compare with 96, 19, 47. Now 84 less than 96, condition is true means
True.
you have to increment by other way location. That is called the 96th location. So previous value you have 2. So increment by 1, that is called 3. Next what will happen? Second, next value is 84 less than 19. 84 less than 19 is nothing but condition false. False means 19th location, copy it as it is. And here increment by 1. Previously you have 2, incremented by 1. Because whenever you are checking the I location, I wrote it the small locations, small values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 plus 1. Next one is nothing but 84 less than 47. Condition is false. So previous values 1 is there, copy it as it is. And incremented by here 1. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So when you will get condition is false, I value to be incremented. When condition is false means true means J value to be incremented.
Yes, sir.
So here I location, I'll write it. This is called I. Your J starting from here, for example, in this case. Okay. So if condition is true, J location value to be incremented. If the condition is false, I value location to be incremented. That is what the sorting by counting location. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One more simple way I'll tell you after this. Somebody is telling?
Sir, I have one doubt here.
Yeah, tell me.
So the thing is, here we take like for all the values, we'll do like 62 by 30. I mean like less than 31, everything, right? For all the values. And in the I is equals to 2, for that step, why are we not taking 62, sir?
1 second. Yeah, I'll increase the volume size. Yours is not audible properly.
Okay.
Can you repeat it now?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah, can you repeat now?
Here, the thing is, I in count I. Why are we not considering the 62?
Why you are not considering?
62, sir. We are doing everything, right? Why are we not doing
So that is,
62?
see, I location, first one is called 62. We have considered, we have done it now, 1 plus 1 plus 1. No, that location got over now. Now when I is equal to 0 over I is equal to 1. So when I is equal to 1 means what will happen? This location 31 will be taken. So 1 plus 0 only this one true only in this case will be happening all the 84, 96 and 47. False will become only 19. That is what only one incremented in this case. 0 when I is equal to 2 means, so small values are written. Already previous values is 2 is there, I have written it small values 2. Next what will happen? 84 less than 96. Condition is true means J value to be incremented. J values always from the next location will be taken. So 2 plus 1, 3 I have written. Next is 84 less than 19. Condition will become false. Here whenever J values condition will become false means previous values will be copied as it is. When the condition is true, previous values copied. When the condition is false, I location will be incremented. So now in this case condition false, 1 will be incremented. Next what will happen? 84 less than 47, condition will become false, I value to be incremented. So plus 1 have written it, previous value copied it as it is here. Now finally you updated 2 plus 1 plus 1, so 4. Why I wrote it here is 2 plus 1 plus 1 means when you are comparing this is what happened. So textbook, if you see directly they have written 3 0 1 1 0 0. So if you see it in this case they have written 1 2 2 2. So they have not written 2 plus 1 plus 1 something like this. For understanding purpose I wrote it here. Examination you can write it directly the values, no problem. Are you getting what I am saying? Spurti? Spurti? Hello? Spurti?
Yes, sir.
Got clear now?
Sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
So I will solve it once again. Don't worry. Let me complete once again. Only one more statement is there. Next one is this location, 96 location. So 96 less than 19. Condition is true or false?
False. Sir.
False. So false means 3 already is there. You have to add it 1 here as it is, right? Next, 96 less than 47. Condition is false. So false means, so previous location, J location, copy it as it is, I value to be incremented by 1. Now what will happen? 3 plus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. This is called the 5. This is what will happen. Next, I value to be incremented, the fourth location, 19. 19 is less than 47. 19 is less than 47.
True, sir.
True. So true means what I should do it? 47 location you have to increment it. This is as it is. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2.
True.
This is what happened. Now, tell me the locations called. What is the final value? The count 0, 3. Next here. First location value, final value is 1. 84th location values, final value is called 4. Next 96 location is called 5. Next 19th location is called 0. So 47th location value is called 2. This is what the final values you got it according to the counting. 3, 1, 4, 5, 0, 2. Now I'll move to the next sheet here. Write the values location here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Now here you see it here. What is this? What is the count for first number? 62 count number. Count is how much? Count number is how much? 3.
3.
So now you 3. So you copy it in the third location is called the 62. Third location is called the 62. Third location is called the 62. Next, 31. 31 location, finally count is got it 1, 1. So now one location you copy it, 31. Next. Next one is 84. 84 in location is copied is nothing but the fourth. So fourth location 84.
This is the permission tag required to be included in Android XML to send the
Fourth location is called the 84. Next.
again the user's permission. Remember
96. 96 count is nothing but 5. So 5 location copy it 96. Next. 19. 19 location is nothing but 0 count. So write it in the 0 count, 0 plus 19. Next. Another 47. 47 count is 2. Write it the second location 47. This is what the sorting by counting 19, 31, 47. So elements got sorted in this case 19, 31, 47, 62, 84, 96. So element got sorted. So what we have done is counted. So counting is nothing but what? I location, J location. I'll tell you, see, it is very clear here. When the condition is true, J location count value should be counted. If it is condition is false, I location count should be increased. That's what you need to do it. So you are comparing with I location to J all the values. So when you are here, I, J will be from here you are counting. Once again, I'll tell you the same problem. Just write it here. Some people are facing the problems. Once again, I'll tell you the problem. Same problem, sort by counting. Listen here once again, all of you, sort by counting. 62, 31, 84, 96, 19, 47. So this is what the arrays. I'll tell you still one more step extra here. You will not get any confusion. See here, 62, 31, 84, 96, 19, 47.
There should be some connection to be there to complete the task of resolution process.
This is what the I values goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Intents are used to communicate between two
Count.
applications.
I'll not write any numbers here. Directly I'll write it zeros only.
Registration form web view and gallery are
0, 1,
application you will
2, 3, 4, 5.
with the help of intent you are making this to happen. You feel that as an end user, what you feel that? You feel that the application is one single application which you access so far. So to make
Write it here directly. I is equal to 0,
applications,
I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3,
so intent linking
I is equal to 4.
intents. As I said,
4.
an example.
That's all.
Application content 0 or more activities. So probably you done the experimented this in the program number 2 means calling one activity to another activity.
Right.
When you submit the
Spurti?
form, all the registration form data
Spurti?
display onto the second activity.
Hello?
There you use the intent
Spurti?
object
Make unmute. Spurti? Make unmute. is not talking. Okay. Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Wait, unmute. So
Yes.
here is I is nothing but 62.
Yes,
J
sir.
is starting from first location. So I is nothing but first loop. J location is nothing but 31. So I'll write it here. J starting from here. I is nothing but 62. Now what you have to do is you have to need to compare 62, 31, 62, 84. Like selection
62,
happen.
90. Yes, sir.
62 less than 96, 62 less than 19, 62 less than 47. Just I'll write it here. I'll use it properly the board also now. 62 less than 31. Condition is true or false?
False, sir.
False. So what I told you, false means I location to be incremented. So initially all values will become 0. Okay. So initially when I is equal to 0, this one, initial values also I will write it like this. Initially 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now tell me, condition false means what I told, I location to be incremented plus 1, you write it.
Zeros place, I have to, like, we have to keep.
Yeah. 0 plus 1 will be incremented. Next.
Next condition, true, sir.
Next, 62 less than 84.
True, sir. So we have to place 1.
Place 1 where? Second location. So
Second
0
location.
is there, make it 1 directly. Okay. Now this value is directly write it because J values only once will be doing, that values directly write it, no problem. Next, 62 less than 96.
True, sir.
True means what I told you.
Again, 1, sir. We have to place in 96. Third location, 1.
All right. Next, 62 less than 19.
False, sir.
False means what I told you.
Increment in zeros position.
Zeros position plus increment it, write it. Next,
62 less than 47.
62 less than 47.
False, sir. False,
False.
sir.
False means
Increment in zeros position.
this is values is as it is. Here 1.
3 we got.
And now we got the 3. You write it 3 here. Do you have any doubt for this step? Now you can ask me others also. What I told you is I location is nothing but 62 with J location starting from 31. What you are doing is 62 less than 31, 62 less than 84. You are checking the conditions. When you are checking the conditions, if the condition is true, J location value will be incremented. Previous values increment by 1. If the condition is false, I location value incremented by 1. So 0 will be incremented 1. So next 1 value will be incremented by 1, 2, 2 incremented by 1, 3. So final answer I will be updating here. So how you got 3 means later stages you should not get it. No. So because of this I have written it called the I is equal to 0. Next I is equal to 1. Now Spurti.
Yes, sir.
I is equal to 2 means 31. So now I is equal to 0 means 62 here. Now I is equal to 1 means 31 will be taken. Now tell me the conditions here. 31 less than 84.
True, sir.
True means what I told you, J value to be incremented. So 1 is there, increment by 2. Next, 31 less than 8 is 96.
True.
Condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True means what I told you.
We have to increment.
Which location?
J location.
J location is nothing but
That I is equals to
I is equal to 1 only. J is equal to top, it is there, no. After 2, which location? 3. So 3 location you have 1 is there, increment by 1, that is called 2. Next, 31 less than 19. True or false?
false, sir.
False means what I told you. Increment the ith location. I is equal to 1.
Location.
So write it 1.
Yes, sir.
Next, here is as it is, copy the values. Previous value to be copied. Next, 31 less than 47.
True, sir.
True. True means what I told you.
We have to
J location to
increment
be
J
incremented. J
location.
location 0 is there, to be incremented by 1 means 1.
1.
Now I location finally what value you got it? Only 1 only incremented, write it 1. Suppose, Spurti, you have asked, no sir, why you are not considering? So if you want, you can write it here 3, directly 3. Final
Yes, sir,
answer, you
yeah.
can copy it. Shall I write it or leave it? So later stages, you should need to understand that is the reason I is equal to here. That is the reason I have not copied it here 3. So if you want, you can copy it, nothing will happen. 3. So if you are leaving also, no problem. Okay? Next time onwards, I will leave it. Nothing will happen. Right. Now I will become 2. I will become 2 means here. So now 2 is nothing. The second location is nothing but 84. 84 less than 96. 84 less than 19. 84 less than 47. First one will become Spurti. 84 less than 96.
True, sir.
True means what I told you. J value
We have
to be
to
incremented. J value
increment
how
J
much?
location.
2. 2 will become
2, sir.
3. Next, 84 less than 19.
False.
False. Already you have how much value?
0.
I location.
Ith location is 0, sir.
Very good. Now I is equal to how much we are considering now? Here.
Where, sir?
Can you able to see the scribe? I is equal to 2. I have written 84. I have written it.
Yes, yeah.
I is equal to 2 location. Top you see it. I location is equal to 2. Where you will be? Which row you are doing? First, second, third, fourth row you are doing. Here to be incremented. False means already 2 is there previously. 2
So we'll
plus
increment
1.
3 plus 1.
2 plus 1 you have to write it. If it is false means. Next 87 less than 47.
False.
False means what you have to do?
Again, we have to increment.
Increment by 1. Here J will copy it properly. Here you increment by 1. How much now? 2 plus 1 plus 1.
4.
4. Write it here 4. Next, I will become 3. This one. So I will become 3 means here third location here. So third, you see the above where I wrote the 3 values. Now 3 locations you have to take it. Write it 3 plus you write it now. So now what will happen? I is equal to 3. The value is third location 96 is there. So 96 less than 19.
False.
False. False means here as it is plus 1 incremented by 1 here. Next, 96 less than 47.
False.
False. False means J location copied as it is, increment by 1. Now how much
by
the I
1.
location? 3 plus 1
5.
plus 1. So here is 1 is there. I don't know for you visible or not. 3 plus 1 plus 1. How much?
5. 5.
5. Right. Next, I is equal to 4. Element is 19. 19 less than 47.
True.
True. True means what I have to do? J location to be incremented. 1 is there, write it to 2. So here you don't have any values. So write it as
Write
it is
0.
0. Now final values copied in this case 3, 1, 4, 5, 0, 2. Now 0 location values is nothing but 62. That should go to the third location. That is what this one. I'll write it once again here. If you want. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for 0 location value is nothing but according to yours is that should go to the third location. Third location is nothing but this one 62. Next, here is second element should go to the first location 31. Next, 84 should go to the fourth location. Next is 96. 96 it should go to the fifth location counting. Next is 19 should go to the 0th location. Put it there here. 19. Next, 47. 47 should go to the second location. That is called the 47. Still, anybody is having doubt? Where you are having doubt, you tell me. This is what the sorting by counting. This is what the new technology in sorting. So sorting by counting also you can do it. I have written I is equal to 0 means 62, next is 31, next is 84, 96, and this one. So this values, finally values you copy it. So first location you have started here, remaining compared and written. Next I is equal to 1, this one. I is equal to 2, this one. I is equal to 3, this one. I is equal to 4, this one. Final values you copy it here. Okay. So textbook, if you see it here, all three they have filled it here. This is 1, this is 2. Here onwards they will write it 4, 4. Here 5 they will write it. Here 3, 3, 3 write it. So nothing will happen. You can write it in the examination also the similar fashion. There is no wrong in this. You will get full marks. No problem. Sorting by counting, same example only they will be given in the examination also. You don't bother for this. Anybody is having doubt? Spurti?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, you can do it now.
Yes, sir.
Maithili,
Sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Nishant? Nishant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, Manjunath.
No doubt, sir.
So this is the way of writing the analysis. In the examination also the similar fashion you have to write it. Okay. Now you have to write the code for this. Copy it. Shall I move to the next page? Simple code.
Now,
Right. Write the algorithm, simple algorithm, just with respect to I and J only. Write it algorithm comparison by counting. Or sorting by counting. Sorting by counting, you have the elements A of 0 to n minus 1 elements. A of 0 to n minus 1 is called the input elements. Input of the elements. What I told you, I loop is starting from 0 to where you have stopped here only, because 47 only I have started. So if you have n elements, n minus 1. So that is what the I loop, you have started with 0, you have stopped with the fourth location. So that is nothing but the n minus 1. So write it the I location for I is equal to 0 to n minus 1 do. Initially, write it, the values is called count of I is equal to 0. Count of I is equal to 0. Under this loop only, next write it for J is equal to J is equal to, so just see here, what I have told you is, I have compared with 62 less than 31. Next is 62 less than 84. So J value you are starting, when you are here 0 location, J value starting from 1 to up to where you are going, n minus 1. So n minus 1 is nothing but this one. Write it here. So J is equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1 do. Even if you want I loop n minus 2 also you can stop it. If you are going for that also nothing will happen. That it. If a of I less than a of j, a of I less than a of j, if the condition is true, which one we have counted? Arjun? I location or j location?
Sir?
If condition is true, well, we have incremented here
Sir, J location should be
j
incremented, sir.
location, right? That's all. Count of j is equal to count of j plus 1. That's it. Else. Else where you are counting?
I, sir.
That's it, right? It. Count of I is equal to count of I plus 1. Any doubt in this? Simple, yeah.
No, sir.
Right. Now, finally, what you have done? See here, you got the location values 3, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you have to write this sorting order. Now, how to write it is nothing but use one loop to write it. For I is equal to, that is up to for loop over. Now, what I am telling is for I is equal to 0 to n minus 1 do. So what you have done is S of the given array. So what I have taken A of count of I is equal to A of I. In that count, you need to copy the, for example, A of I is nothing but 0 location. 0 is nothing but 62. So count of I for that one is nothing but 3. So that count of 3, copy the A of I value. Are you getting what I am saying? Return A. A capital letter write it. Return A. Any doubt this? Arjun?
No, sir, no doubt.
Manjunath? Any doubt? Spurti?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so that's what. So only thing is you should know, that's what I told you. If you are perfect with looping statements and up to array, nothing is there algorithm to write it. So we are not using any pointers, concepts, nothing. Just the problem you need to understand. I told you I have written the looping statements also. I have written every statement in detail. So still if you have any doubt, you can ask me. This 1 plus 1 plus 1 also, how we are getting also, I have written it. So here I have written 62 less than 31. If the condition is true, where to increment? J location to be incremented. If the condition is false, I location to be incremented. So I value, write it the small letters, shortcut, finally you added the final answer. J locations only once will be either increment or not increment, no problem. That you write it as it is. So when you are here, I is equal to 0, I location should be constant. When I is equal to 1, 1 should be constant, then loop will be executing I plus 1. From here, the second location will be taking care only. So 0 values, we are not bothering. So when I is equal to 2, 0 on first location, because already we have counted for that location. No need to compare the 0th location and first location. When I is equal to 3, first 0 location, first location, second location, no need to bother for this. You compare only I plus 1 location. That's what this loop says. J is equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1. Spurti, you have asked, no, sir, why you are not touching with the previous values? So previous values already placed where you want to place it according to the ascending order. So that is the reason no need to consider the previous location where you have the I location. So I location previous values no need to consider, because already we have placed where you want to place it according to the ascending order, because that value you have compared with all the elements. So that is the reason no need to compare the previous locations. Any doubt now? Right. Now write the time complexity is also double summation, easy one. I goes from 0 to n minus 1. J goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1. 1, that is nothing but the n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to theta of n square, directly writing. I told you wherever you have the two summations, you can take theta of n square. Okay, any doubt now? Any doubt? Okay, shall I stop now? Where is 28? Right. So now today onwards, I will send this PDF also file to you people. You can compare it. You can check it out. Okay. So now I'll take the attendance. Answer attendance 2, 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5, 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9. Benita D'Souza.
Present, sir.
You take some more time, madam. Had lunch, then you can tell attendance. 10. Bhargavi. Bhargavi absent. Next. 11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. Harshit is there.
Is there?
I'll mark option, that's all. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Yes, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
Manisha, why you didn't attend test yesterday? Manisha? Manisha D. 27.
Yes, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29. Nilanjan. 30.
Present, sir.
TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8, Rakesh, 9, Ramya,
Present, sir.
10,
Present,
11, 12,
Present,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
12,
Present, sir. 12.
Present, sir. 13, 14. Hey, Vishal, why you didn't write yesterday test?
Sir,
Okay.
Rashmi ji are present,
Right.
sir.
16. Okay.
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21. Sunil, 23,
22 present, sir.
22,
present.
24, Vice
Present,
20.
sir. Present, sir.
Sunil absent, huh?
Sir,
Right.
108, sir. Sir, 1TD08, sir.
Why you are telling no, sir?
Network issues, sir.
Right, sir.
Sir, 1 TD 10, sir.
ಏಕಮ್ಮ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಮ್ಮ ರಶ್ಮಿ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Manisha D. She's not responding. Okay, so others can leave. Only my practice students, please stay on 2 minutes. I want to talk to you people. Only my practice students. Do you have class now?
Sir, no.
No. So just on for 2 minutes I will take. Yeah, only my practice students. Remaining you can leave. Only my practice students. Remaining can leave. I hope only my students are there. Right, sir. 1 second, I will recording. I'll close it. One second, yeah. He is not closing, huh? దొరకనా ఒక సెకండ్ రాపాడా ఒక సెకండ్ అర్జెంట్ రాయి అంటే అది అవుతా ఉంటుందిరా. One second, it is not recording off. Some setups went wrong. శశి ఇది రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ అవుతలేదు, అదే వేరే ఏదో మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది కదా శశి, అక్కడ కెనాట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ద అప్డేట్స్ అనేసి దాన్ని ఎట్లా క్లోజ్ చేయాలి అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఇది అప్డేట్ అవుతలేదు, ఇది రికార్డ్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయలేను. ఆ ఆప్షన్ ఇది అడ్డు వస్తుంది ఎట్లా?
అదే కాదు కానీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ స్టాప్ ప్రెజెంటింగ్ ఇదేంటిది?
అదే వస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లోజ్ చేయి. రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేయడానికి అవుతలేదు. ఇది మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ చేస్తే
అట్లా చేయొద్దు, లేకపోతే కానీ రికార్డ్ ఇది చేసుకున్నారు.
అదే అవుతలేదా? Students, wait to 2 minutes, because recording is not on. క్లోజింగ్ చూడ ఎట్లా అది ఎందుకు ఆ విధంగా వస్తుంది? ఓ పని దీన్ని మినిమైజ్ చెయ్యి, ఇప్పుడు డ్రాగ్ చేయి కొంచెం లాగు.
లేదు
కొంచెం అప్పు చేయి,
వచ్చు
కొంచెం అప్పు చేయి. సూపర్గా వస్తుంది కొంచెం రోజు. ఏమో ఇంత ప్రాబ్లం క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది కదా.
నువ్వు అది ఐడి
అవుతుంది వచ్చేది మెసేజ్ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಕ ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ చేసేది ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ
ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಅದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಶಶಿ, ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ಶಶಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ
ಶಶಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ చేసేరా నేను ఒక మాట హ్యాంగ్
అయిపోతుంది. శశి క్లోజ్ చేసామంటావా? ఇది రికార్డ్ 1 second. See, I'll just rejoin it at 1 minute. Don't go away. Close చేసేసి ఇది కొట్టు. ఏం చేసే సార్ కొట్టు అయితే నా చూస్తావా? ఎందుకు కొట్టు మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ కోసం